What's up, you guys? Alex here, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing from iEatFingerboards. Geraldine. I just got her package today. Thought that was pretty sick. I was kind of wondering, like, okay, what's going on with my package? And I was actually gonna, like, you know, say if she sent it out today, but I don't know if she sent it yet. And then luckily I got it today, you know, so pretty stoked. I gotta find a razor blade. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, she sent this package because I got second place in her contest she had. It was Fancy Fingerboards mini contest entry. So all you gotta do is just make a mini, you know, get a couple footage down, you know, put it into a sick edit. She likes it, then you get a prize, and I won second place, and I'm just so happy about that. It's an accomplishment for my book. So, yep, let's check it out. Fancy Fingerboards deck, got it for free. What could you ask for, you know? Dang, look at that. And thanks, Geraldine, appreciate this. And so lucky now. You know, with my setups, can't wait to be sessioning this. Let's get inside. Wheels misplaced. Sorry, that's my little brother. Wow, look at that. Dang. Thanks, Geraldine. Appreciate this. If you guys want to subscribe to her or see my video part that I see my entry, I'll leave the links down below so you guys can see it. I'm scared to take out this tape. I'm scared everything's just gonna jump up. You see, like that. Ugh, a staple. Ooh, watch out. You got some nuts here, you got some bolts. Trucks, looks pretty sick, I like them. I dig it. Wheels, single bearing, Fancy Fingerboards. Oh, this is pretty sick too. Nice. Fancy Fingerboards. Gotta love them. I'll leave their link down for you guys to subscribe, and yeah, check them out. So, peace, guys. Thanks, Geraldine. Appreciate it. Much love.